Is your phone screen cracked? Button's not working, or your phone won't charge? Charger port won't work? Data is lost? Or just about anything happens that leaves you needing cell phone repair service? At IFIX E.R, we offer cell phone repair services for most cases. We are the best solution for your smartphone repair or Android phone repair service in the industry, and we'll get that cell phone repair back to you in a flash. We strive to provide unmatched customer service and top quality repairs for all high-end mobile devices at prices that will make our customers happy. Our qualified technicians ensure that your electronic device, phone, or item is repaired with the utmost quality and expertise. We are also convenient to customers in areas like Anderson and Greenville. You can't beat our convenience. Call us today for IFIX E.R repair solutions that can't be beat. 864-309-4191. 864-534-1365. 617-943-8678. IFIXSC.com.